Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to fix meta verification not available for Facebook. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, what we need to do is to check whether we see this option at all, if we are available at all to see this option. So what we need to do is to open Facebook. We tap on our profile picture at the top right. Now we scroll down till we see settings and privacy, and we select settings and privacy. Now settings. From here we select account center, and now we scroll down. Right after payments, under payments, you must see get verified. If you don't see this option, like I don't see this option, that's because it's not available in your country. Probably because it's not available in your country, like it's not available in my country. What you need to do is to open a browser. I will use Chrome and type meta verified eligibility on Facebook. Here you can see all the requirements to have this verification, so it's not available in all countries. You must be 18 years or older. You cannot verified meta verified business accounts at this moment. You have two-factor authorization enabled. The account has to meet our terms of services, their terms and services, and community standards, and many other things. I'll put the link in description and you can check them out.